Welcome to Modular Classroom. In today's video, we'll see how to remove duplicate entries in Excel. Suppose you have an Excel file which contains a sample data like this, that is product ID, product name, category and price. These are the list of columns that exist in this Excel file. You can see some products like wireless mouse, office chair, a notebook, or being repeated, appear more than once in the sheet. So these repeated entries are called as duplicates. If a duplicate data that is exists in an Excel file means it can create for wrong stock calculation, duplicate billing, and it may give you some incorrect sales report, and it will have some confusion in the inventory management, and data duplication occurs. So this is why the cleaning duplicate entries is very important. So how to do that, we will see in this video. So for that process, you just select your data. So that is, first select the entire product table like this. Then go to the data tab in Excel. Inside the data tab, click on remove duplicates. You can see a dialog box appears in the heading remove duplicates. You can choose from which columns Excel should check for duplicates. For example, product name, product category, ID, price, or over there. You just remove the product ID column. If your table has headings, you can enable this my data has headers checkbox enabled, checked. Now click on OK. Excel automatically will remove the repeated product entries. And you can now see only unique product records. Also, Excel give you a message like number of duplicate values removed. That is 3 duplicate values are found and removed, 7 unique values remaining. Now that counts may include empty cells, spaces, etc. This message is given you by Excel, and just click on OK. So now you can see this wireless mouse, office chair and notebook duplicated. There is a repeated entry has been removed. So before using this feature in real business data, you should also have to follow some limitations like only duplicates are removed and the file is saved. The deleted records may be difficult to restore. You have to keep in that mind. And incorrect columns are selected. Excel may delete important records also accidentally. If extra spaces or formatting differences exist, it may not recognize them as duplicates. And if you're after duplication, if you add another duplicate data, that you should repeat this process manually. It will not do automatically also. So if you remove this duplicate value feature, it is useful in inventory management, customer records, billing system, etc. It helps you to maintain clean and organized data. So before removing this duplicate, just create a backup copy of your Excel file to keep on your original data. So this is how you can remove the duplicate product entries in this Excel file very easily. And if you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe for more tips and technology tutorials. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned.